So today we'll be learning how to handle a pop-up, right? Let's say I'll give an example. This is a site, right? If I click on it, it is opening a new tab. Okay. So to if a page opens in a new tab or a new window also, let's say if you open it in a new window also, then the same thing, the automation will detect it as a new tab only. If you open it as a new tab or you open it a new window, we will be handling it in one particular way. So we'll learn how to handle that. Okay, because the normal way which we are using till now, it will not work. It- so if something opens in a new tab, we have to switch our context to that new tab. Then only we can handle the web element in that tab. Okay, we'll see how to do that. Let me create one file for this new file, window handling dot spec dot yes. Okay, so first we'll be going to what this URL. The next thing is that if I want to access any web element in this URL, I can access it. Let's say after that, what I can do, await page.locator.click. Let's say I want to click on this button, new browser tab. So right click, inspect, go to the element. So I can take the ID button one, Control C, Control F, Control V, S. So one of three, I'm interested in the second one. So I can take another one. Okay. Oh, so we written. Sure, that's good. Dot nth of one. Okay. So I can access this. So once I click on that, what will happen? It will open a new tab, right? It will open a new tab. This one it will
Yep.
open. So if I want to access any of the web element, let's see. Let's first see, am I able to access it or not? If something opens in a new tab, I'm able to access it or not. If it throw error, means will not be able to access, then we'll see how
Yep.
to handle that. Okay, let's say I want to access this one and input something here. So what can I do? Name input. So I can use this as name input one of two. So second one is not needed because this is ID, so you can take it. So what I can do next is await page dot locator nth of 0. And what is the ID I'm using? Name input. Let me use that. I'm not clicking here. What I'm doing here? I want to fill something. Okay. So
Yep.
if I want to fill something, so I'll use dot fill. So now let's see if I run this, is it working or not? Then we'll see if it is not working, what to do. Window and there we go. Okay. So it will open now. Okay, we have not changed the test name, so it is writing alert handling. So it is change it. See, it clicked on that button. Now here I am trying to input something. So it will wait for the default time, that is we have discussed that it will wait for the default time. And once it doesn't find that locator, it will fail. Let's see it is failing or detecting the locator. So if it fails means we cannot access it using that page.locator. So here comes the concept of window handling. Okay. see error will come. See, error came. So what is the error? Error is in this line because it didn't find that. Okay. So test timeout exceeded. That means locator it didn't find out within the expected time we have given, the default time for which it will wait. It didn't find that. So that means it is not handling that. Yes or no?
Right.
So what we will be doing here is we'll be using window handling. So what is window handling? Window handling that when a new tab is created, it will treat it as a new page. So with the existing page, it will not work. That means when I am using that page means it is referring to this page. When a new page open, the same page it will not work. It will have a different ID. So we have to create a new page which will hold the new ID. With that, I will be accessing the web element. So to do that, what I need to do? Simple after the pop-up before that new tabs or new window open, what I can do is simple thing I'll do is constant new page, okay, is equal to await page dot, okay, wait for event pop-up. So what will happen here? In this line, what I'm telling that you create a constant new page in which I'll hold the ID of the new page which is opening. With this new page, now what I can do is I can able to access the new tab web elements. Understood? So the syntax is await page dot wait for event pop-up. So it will return an ID of the new page or the new tab which is opening that I will be storing here. And then with this new page, now I can access the locator and do whatever activity I want to do in that new tab. Understood?
Yep.
So let's run it now. Let's see, is it working now or not? It will open now. So let's see. So it will click now and open a new tab. Here, see, it entered Vinod. That means it is
Yes.
working now.
Yep.
That means it opened a new page. For that reason, I'm able to store it in a new constant and then I'm using it. Now, in that page also, I have a new window. Okay. Now in that page also, I have a new window. Now again, I want to click this button. If I want to click this button, then what I have to do? If I want to click this button, then what I have to do? I have to use again this page. I cannot use new page now. If I want to click that button, again I will go and use nth of 0. Then it will click that button. So what I did here is, first I click this button. It opened a new tab. Again, I want to access any web element in this page. Then I have to use the page, not new page. New page is for the new tab. If I want to again go back to the previous page, I have to use page. Clear?
Yes.
So I can come to the page and again click one of the web element of that page. Let's see, is it running or not? So once I click that first button, what will happen? A new window will open. Here a new tab was opening. Now a new window will open. So it will click the second tab. It entered Vinod. Now see the new window open. This confirms that it is going to my first page. Okay, it is going to my first page and opening a new tab. So
Okay.
clicking that new first button. Yes or no? If I click the
Yes.
first button, what will happen? A new window is opening, right?
Yes.
So This confirms that it will click the web element in the first page. Clear?
Yes.
Now, if you want to do something here in this pop-up, so what again you have to do? Again, same thing.
Yeah.
You can
Constant.
create one more constant.
Yes.
Okay, one more constant, make it new page 1. Then use this new page 1. Okay.
Yep.
So what I can do is new page 1 dot locator dot fill. Here I'll fill again. Let's say. Okay. So here let's get the locator for that. That's a row. Roll input. Roll input. Give it hash. So 1 of 2. So this is the first one. The second one I'll get. Close this. Close this folder. Now see, it will now what it will do. It will now enter the text in the new window which is opening. See, we click the second tab, second button, enter something, click the first tab. Now see, it entered that text. Yes or no?
Yes.
In the new window. So this is how you'll handle multiple windows and multiple tabs once it open. So now it is pretty simple. Now the first page is for the first tab. The new page is for the new tab which is opening. Now new page 1 is for the new window which is opening. So every time any point of the program you want to access the web element in the first tab or the initial page which opened, you have to use page dot locator. If you want to use in the second tab, you use new page dot locator. Anything you want to use in the new windows open, use new page 1 dot locator. As simple as that. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this was all about how to handle multiple windows in Playwright.